So you might be in this weird situation where for some reason your particular iPhone is basically taking up too much mobile data inside of certain iPhone applications. Now, what does this mean? Well, you might take a look at particular iPhone apps that you're using, let's say like WhatsApp or Snapchat or Instagram, and you might actually be noticing that those particular apps are taking up too much mobile application data. Now, the first way you can even tell this is by making your way over to your iPhone settings, tapping on something like cellular, and scrolling down, and you should be able to see all these applications that are taking up a bunch of data. So you can see this billing period, I'm using applications like Safari and Instagram. If there's one application that's taking up an abnormal amount, as you can see, there's not really one, it's like a bunch of different ones. You might want to go and see that specific application and seeing why that particular app is taking up that much data. So you can see within like Safari, for example, there probably shouldn't be that big of a reason why Safari is taking up that much amount of data if it's like abnormal or whatever. So that's kind of like the first thing I'd recommend taking a look at. Now you can also go through and find like Instagram and TikTok, find those particular apps, and what you're going to want to do is open up those applications. You want to go and see what specifically is taking up that much data here. If there's a low power mode or low data mode within those apps, that is basically going to be the main way you can go ahead and go through and essentially kind of like fix this problem. I know with applications like TikTok and Instagram and other applications like that, they will basically go through and allow you to go ahead and kind of limit some things or limit data here and there. That's kind of a big thing I've noticed. So personally for me, that's kind of one of the first things I would recommend doing is closing out of any of those other applications, but also going through and essentially getting on low power mode or low data mode. On top of that, one of the other big massive things you can do is to go ahead and basically get on Wi-Fi. So if you're taking up a bunch of mobile data, that basically means you are not taking advantage of your, Wi-Fi or other cell connections available. So hop onto Wi-Fi, and for a majority of people, that's probably all you're going to have to do, and that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in your specific case as well. So if that's still not working, you can tap into your general settings of your iPhone, tap on software update, and if there's an update available, I'd probably recommend updating at that point. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.